Switchboard is an innovative PVCu composite decking system from Liniar with the option of 2 different surfaces. The clever reversible deckboard is available in 5 nature-inspired colours, together with colour-matched trims for a perfect finish. Designed with a unique, bespoke, quick clip fixing, Switchboard is simple to install. This video will show you how, and you can also refer to more detailed instructions in the Switchboard installation guide document on our website. Before you begin, decide which surface you would like to be visible, or mix and match them for a totally bespoke finish. It's important to install Switchboard onto a subframe. Before beginning the installation, ensure the subframe you are using is square and true. The subframe should have a slight gradient to allow for water runoff. Also check that the subframe is sufficiently supported and stable before beginning your Switchboard installation. Offset the subframe 10 mm from any walls or boundaries and ensure that the distance between supporting joist centres does not exceed 600 mm. Switchboard can be used to skirt around the edge of the subframe for a more attractive finish. Fit the skirting first, cutting the boards to length. Here we have cut the boards with mitered corners to give it a clean and neat finish. Fit the skirting planks around the edges, flush with the top surface of the subframe. Fix screws through the subframe into the skirting boards to secure them into position. To start fitting your decking surface, position the first switchboard as desired and secure it along the leading edge with screws at 600 mm centres. Next, insert the quick clips with a simple click and use them to screw down into each joist of the subframe. Switchboard has been designed so that the quick clips will lock into the board regardless of which surface is at the top. The next switchboard will simply butt up to the clips. The clips act as their own 5 mm spacer. Continue adding quick clips along the length of the second board and screw it into place. This process can now be repeated for all switchboards, with the final edge being fixed into place with screws. To give a seamless finish to your decking area, you can install trims around the exposed edges of switchboard. First, cut the trims to length, with mitered corners where required. Then fix them into position using the appropriate fixing method. You're now ready to enjoy your low-maintenance, slip-resistant composite deck. Remember that more detailed step-by-step instructions can be found in the Switchboard installation guide document on our website. Switchboard from Liniar for modern outdoor living.